Hi everybody, welcome to another video and some more garage time. When I bought this bike, I didn't realise that the seat release mechanism wasn't there. The lock that comes out the side wasn't there, and in fact the whole mechanism for the seat release just wasn't there at all. So I contacted the guy that I bought it off, and he told me that there was an orange cord here at the back that you pull to release the seat, just here. And this in fact is the only part of the seat release mechanism that was still included from the whole bike, and this is what it's supposed to look like. So I found from a local motorcycle wrecker, I found the lock that's supposed to come out of the side, the seat release mechanism there. What we're looking at up there on the bike is part of this and an attachment there for the cord, and the thing there that actuates it from the rod that goes across. So this is what he'd had on there. So that's the replacement seat release mechanism with the latch on it there, right, that actuates it that way. Right, that piece goes there like that. So this is partially assembled. That actuates the release here by turning the key. Now the other part of this goes in the hand grip here. I've only partially assembled it here because this still needs to be sanded and painted. Now the lock in there, I've actually had that into a local locksmith to be rekeyed. So the key for the ignition for the tank will also do the seat release. So here it is here. This is the lock, and that's the helmet holder thing. So that's there. That's been rekeyed for the bike. This is the arm that comes and actuates that, which releases the thing there. So that's the whole assembly that it should have and was removed. So just going through the bike, taking care of stupid little things that are missing. For example, another one, the muffler here, there was a bolt through it, but there was no nut on the end, so I've got a new stainless washer, spring washer, and a stainless nylon lock nut on there, so that's all on nice and firmly. And the seat release will be sorted out once I sand and paint this up. I can put that back on, and I can finish the seat release mechanism. So thank you for watching, and working through some of the silly, annoying little things that I don't know why it was removed in the first place, but there we have it, closing the gaps as we go.